Hi there, this is Penelope, and this is a short video on a possible test question or possible exam question for MG5004 DE5418, and it involves logarithmic differentiation, which, if you remember, is the kind of differentiation we use when we have a particularly nasty thing to differentiate. Let's have a look at a particularly nasty one. Okay, we could use a mixture of the quotient rule and the product rule, but it's so much easier if we just take the natural log of each side. Remembering we've got division, so it's subtraction. And remembering that the second one is also subtraction. And then we do the differentiation, so the derivative of natural log y is 1 over y dy by dx, and the derivative of natural log e to the 4x would be 1 over e to the 4x times the derivative, so it's the derivative of the bracket now, and that's over the bracket, minus the derivative of the bracket over the bracket, minus the derivative of the bracket over the bracket, and then we now need to multiply both sides by y, and we're done. And I'm going to put y straight back in again. So cancel, cancel, doing all the cancelling. So that cancels with that cancels with all but one of those, and sinh over cosh becomes tanh. And how easy was that?